We now determine the values of sine theta by 2, cos theta by 2, and tan theta by 2 using the half angle formula. So let's use this triangle. This is a right triangle with two side lengths 8 and 15, and we see that the angle is theta over here. So first let's determine the hypotenuse length of this triangle. So according to the Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse, this is equal to square root of sum of the two sides, that is 8 square plus 15 square. So this equals 8 square is 64 and 15 square is 225. So we take the square root. This is 64 plus 225 is square root of 289. So we get square root of 289 is 17. So therefore, we just found that the hypotenuse is equal to 17. And now using SOHCAHTOA, I'm going to find sine theta and cos theta from this triangle. We know that according to SOHCAHTOA, sine theta is opposite to theta over hypotenuse. So we write sine theta, this equals opposite side, and this 8 over hypotenuse is 17. And similarly, we will find the cos theta. According to SOHCAHTOA, this is adjacent side to theta, that is 15 over hypotenuse is 17. So we found sine theta equals 8 over 17 and cos theta equals 15 over 17. Now let's write the formula for sine theta over 2. So according to the half angle formula, the sine theta over 2, this equals 1 minus of cos theta over sine theta under the root. Well, it's actually divided by 2. It's not sine theta. So let me just correct this. So we will find sine theta over 2. We just have to substitute the value of cos theta into this formula. So therefore this becomes 1 minus of cos theta is 15 over 17 over 2, that is divided by 2. So this will give us, I can write 1 as 17 over 17 minus of 15 over 17. So this is equal to 17 minus 15 is 2 over 17. So in the numerator we have 2 over 17 divided by 2. We have to take the square root. So this equals 2 over 17, and divided by 2 we can write down is as multiplied by 1 by 2. We see that these two are getting cancelled. This is under the root, and so the final value of sine theta over 2 is square root of 1 by 17. In fact, we can also rationalize this. So this is equivalent to 1 over 17. So we multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by root 17. So therefore this is equal to root 17 over 17. So this is the value of sine theta over 2. We now find the value of cos theta by 2. So according to half angle formula, cos theta by 2, this equals under the root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. So let's replace cos theta by 15 over 17. So therefore this becomes under the root of 1 plus 15 over 17 divided by 2. So let's simplify this. This 1 I can write down this as 17 over 17 plus 15 over 17. So therefore this equals 17 plus 15 is 32 over 17. So this is equivalent to, the numerator is 32 over 17 divided by 2 under the root. So we can simplify this. This 32 over 17, and this divided by 2, I can write down this as 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. So therefore this becomes, I can cancel this 16. So this equals 16 over 17 under the root. Let's rationalize this. So this equals root 16 over root 17. We multiply both numerator and denominator by root 17. So this is equal to root of 16 times of 17, or otherwise the square root of 16 is 4. So the numerator is 4 root 17 divided by the denominator is root 17 times root 17 is 17. So this is the value of cos theta by 2. Lastly, we find the value of tan theta by 2. So using the half angle formula, we write down tan theta by 2. This equals sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, or it is also equivalent to 1 minus of cos theta over sin theta. So we can use any one of this form. So let me use this form, that is tan theta by 2 equals sin theta over 1 plus cos theta. So let's replace the sin theta and cos theta into this expression. So therefore sin theta is 8 by 17. So I put 8 by 17 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 plus cos theta is 15 over 17. So let's simplify this. This equals 8 by 17 divided by 1 plus 15 over 17 is equal to 17 plus 17 plus 15 over 17, and this equals 32 over 17. So let's put 32 over 17. Now we just have to simplify these fractions. So I put the numerator fraction as this, multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator fraction, that is 17 over 32. So these two get cancelled, and this is 1/4. So this equals 1/4. And this means this is the value of tan theta by 2. So we found the values of sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, and tan theta by 2 using half angle formulas.